Willow here. So if you're anything like Dan and I right now, we do have a garden going and we may have planted more zucchini than we anticipated. So we're kind of up to our eyeballs with zucchini, and I feel like every single dish I'm trying to figure out a way to put it in. So I figured today I would show you guys how to make our gluten-free, dairy-free zucchini bread. So I have some of the ingredients here that we're going to be using. We've got sugar, which is a stevia blend because I do not use table sugar in our house. A gluten-free flour blend. We've got lemon juice, almond flour, nutmeg, eggs, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, salt, some stevia brown sugar, coconut oil, almond milk, and vanilla. So I'm going to be doubling the recipe because we kind of neglected our garden and we have a huge zucchini that we're dealing with here. So I'm going to double this recipe and see how it goes. The next thing that I'm going to do is break this bad boy down, and since it's quite large, I know there's going to be a lot of seeds. So instead of just shredding it with regular shredder, if it was a smaller zucchini, I'm going to be chopping this up and putting it in a food processor. So I will do that and then I will show you the next steps. Okay, so I've gone ahead and grated the zucchini. So what I did is I chopped off the ends of the zucchini and split it in half and scooped out all of the seeds because, as I said, it is a larger zucchini, and when you get larger you get these big hunky seeds, and we did not want that in our bread loaf. So we scooped them all out, we put this in our food processor, and once that was done processing, I put them in one of our reusable mesh strainer bags and strained out all the excess water. And while that was going, I preheated the oven to 350 and greased up 2 loaf pans. And then in here, I've gone ahead and put in the gluten-free flour mix, almond flour, the baking soda, baking powder, the salt, the cinnamon, and the nutmeg, and gone ahead and already mixed that up. So the next thing I'll do is I'll add in the wet ingredients, and we will be putting this bad boy in the oven. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed everything and put them into the 2 loaf pans, and I actually had enough zucchini left over that I'll probably throw it in some stir fries later this week or something like that, because 2 loaves is plenty. I'm already gonna freeze one of these. I don't need more in the freezer. If you wanted to, you can add in walnuts. I currently do not have walnuts. I'm gonna keep one of these gluten-free, truly dairy-free, and then the other one, what I'm gonna do is Dan and I have some sugar-free chocolate chips. So for one of the loaves, I'm gonna add in a mix of dark chocolate and milk chocolate chips, just to add just a variety between the 2 of them so they're not the exact same. And because of the fact that I didn't want them in both of the loaves, I am just putting them in my hand and then I'm just gonna mix them in with the spatula here. So then once I'm done with this and I've mixed these all in really nicely, I'm gonna put both of these in for 25 to 30 minutes. I'm probably gonna check them halfway just to see where we're at, if it's gonna be more like, and that's that. Our zucchini bread is done. And if you guys wanna know the full recipe, I will have it in the comments below. Have a great day.